Hello everyone, myself Swadhin Nayak. I am a BTech graduate from NIT Rourkela and I have a startup named T Farms Private Limited. So I am the co-founder of that. And yeah, I came to know about CVSR and this workshop through internet, and then after I registered for the workshop for the boot camp and all. And yeah, the boot camp is going at Sri Ambika Yog Kutir, which is basically a natural jungle among the concrete jungle, like CVSR says. So it is a beautiful place and very peaceful and full of biodiversity and all. Yeah. So there's a farm also, a 500 square feet turmeric farm, which is mind blowing and all. Yeah. And we got trained in this atmosphere, amidst the nature. So it was a nice experience being here. And about this training, so even if you ask any of our participants, they will appreciate a huge, because sir doesn't spread a rosy or lucrative picture about hydroponics and all. He talks about the real things, which are the real economics, the real science behind the soilless farming and all. So we have gained a lot of knowledge from this workshop, as I am a grower since 2 years, but the techniques, the science behind which I learned and I experienced over here is phenomenal. And yeah, CVSR has been like an inspiration for me, and I want to take all this knowledge from which I gained from this workshop directly to my state, which is very like farmer prone state, and there are a lot of farmers over there, specifically turmeric farmers, and we will be working with them to revolutionize their farming industry over there in Odisha. And CVSR has agreed to be part of our small team to do that, to help the real farmers. We are trying to cutting down the cost aspect such that every farmers can adopt to this type of farming, the latest technology existing. So the main thing about these workshops are that CVSR talks much about the real science about the growing. So you will understand in depth, like you have to take care of the plants as it's a child of yours, and in such a way we can revolutionize today's India's agricultural industry through this technique. And this boot camp has been a real game changer in my life right now, and I am trying to learn more and more, and I will be joining soon the 90-day workshop if possible, and I will be sending my team, and I will be creating a team to take this mission turmeric ahead. And I think I can contribute to this mission turmeric more, and I will do that with the help of CVSR. Thank you.